This is the 2 train. Now the 2 train starts up in Wakefield 241st Street. The 2 train then goes down to East 180th Street, transferring to the 5 train. The 5 goes express, while the 2 goes local all the way to 3rd Avenue, 149th Street. Wow. At 149th Street Grand Concourse, which is the next stop, the 2 then goes to Manhattan, leaving the 5 with the 4. Once the 2 train gets into Manhattan, you transfer to the 3 train at 135th Street. The 2 and 3 then go to 96th Street, meeting up with the 1 train. The 2 and 3 handle the express, while the 1 goes local. 3 of them then go down to Chambers Street, where the 2 and 3 then leave the 1 train to go to Brooklyn. The 2 and 3 train won't get to Brooklyn to meet up with the 4 and the 5 train, meeting at Court Street, Borough Hall. At Franklin Avenue, the 2 and 3 come on the local track, with the 4 and 5 come on the express track. At this station, the 2 and the 5 split from 3 and 4 to go to Flatbush Avenue, Brooklyn College. The equipment the 2 train has is a shit ton of R142s. 2 train passengers always have the 2 train packed. Why? I don't know. That's something you should ask them themselves. But in all due respect, the 2 train is a pretty heavy line on 7th Avenue, because the 3 is just cleanup, I should say. The 1 is a main line, but is local, and the 2 train has the most passengers because it goes all the way to the Bronx, especially the top of the Bronx, which is Wakefield. The 2 train passengers always have the 2 train delayed from East 180th Street to Wakefield, half the time sending it on the middle track to go express up to Wakefield. Late night service on the 2 train really isn't so bad. It's really between an average of 18 to 22 minutes. The 2 train on the late night is just like any express train. It goes local. From Wakefield to Flatbush Avenue. Boy, do you have a chip on your hands. It's basically like the C train, only boring. It goes just as fast, but it has newer trains. Again, boring. The last thing I really have to say about the 2 train is I wish that it can go back to the way it was. This train used to kick so much ass, and it used to be my favorite line of IRT. But now that goes to the 1, 3, 5, and 7 trains. I really wish the 2 train can go back to the way it was. And trust me, if it did, I would love it with all my heart. But I give the 2 train a 7 out of 10. The reason being because it's just the way it was just average. It's just average. So with that being said, this is the Grand Productions on his 2 train review.